who joined us just 3 months before the examination. One of the student got just 18 marks out of 180 marks, and now he is in IISER Bhopal. One of the students did not know even molecular orbital theory, and now she is in IISER Pune. We have motivational classes because during this journey, tough journey of preparation, a lot of students feel depressed or feel sad. They don't feel motivated. So every weekend we have the interaction with the students. Bhaiya, is it late to join your course? Somehow I missed it. Now I want to join it. How much syllabus is covered? How should I revise? Bhaiya, I have so many backlogs. What should I do in the course? I want to prepare for IISER and NIISER, but I do not have any kind of guidance anywhere. I have joined some offline coachings, but those are teaching completely different things and the pattern is obviously different. So all those things I will discuss in this video.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए साई एस्ट्रा और करें अपने IIT and NEST का सपना साकार। डाउनलोड द ऐप नाउ।
And if you are new to our channel, visit sciastra.com website to know about our vision of building scientists of tomorrow. How we have built a community of about 30,000 students, mentors from all top research institutes, SC Bangalore, all 7 IISERs, NIISER, CEBS, ISI, CMI, IACS, IITs and so on. So all these premier research institutes, mentors you will get, the PhD students will be guiding you. What else do you need? इस वीडियो में I will clear all your confusion about the courses in Sai Astra for IIT and NEST 2023 and even for ISI and CMI 2023. Now, first of all, a lot of students are telling, is it late to join your course? The answer is absolutely no, because there were students who joined us just 3 months before the examination. One of the students got just 18 marks out of 180 marks, and now he is in IISER Bhopal. One of the students did not know even molecular orbital theory, and now she is in IISER Pune. Can you imagine? I used to make mixed questions from chemical bonding, from thermodynamics, from organic reaction mechanism. I would mix all these concepts and students would face really lot of problems. So the questions we give you, the level 1, level 2 exercises, the mock tests we give you are way harder than the actual IIT exam. So our students say that they felt as if they were giving the mock test. So ultimately the preparation which you need is how much time you have given the mock test, how much more time you have given in practicing IIT or NEST level questions, or for that matter ISI and CMI level question for ISI and CMI course. What I want to tell you, it's still not late. What will be late if you don't prepare at all? That is the worst thing you can do. If you don't prepare at all thinking that what I have missed, then I don't know, God save you. First of all, I want to tell you it's not late. Second, why it's not late is because we have designed the course in such a way. We know that student come us 2 months after we launch the course, 3 months after we launch the course. Just 2-3 months before the examination, students come to me and tell me, Bhaiya, tell me how to manage. I joined the course late. So that is why we have designed the course in such a way. We have designed it in phases. So till now, only class 11th syllabus is covered. For that matter, because we were teaching class 11th stuff. Because a lot of students in class 12th say that I forgot my class 11th concept. As a result, I am facing problem in class 12th ke chapters. That is why we finished all the class 11th. Now class 12th initial chapters are going on. Still almost whole of the class 12th is left. That means you have not missed much. And the third point is that you will get everything you missed. You think that you missed live class, recorded class, study materials? No. You will get all the recorded class to you, whatever you missed. You will get all the study materials, all the mock tests, all the sessions you will get for free. Whatever you have missed, you will get all of those things even if you join now. Point number 4 is that mentors will help you. I will tell you the strategies, how to cover the syllabus if you have a lot of backlog. So basically, people who will be joining our course right now and people who joined our course but due to some health reasons, they could not cover or follow the classes, they have backlogs, right? So you two people are in same position. So what should be the strategy to cover the backlogs? Should you follow question to theory approach or theory to question approach? These are the two types of special approach or special concepts which my students follow. And even toppers, if you see All India rank 12 in NEST examination, he told us in the meeting that is the best concept he got to know, question to theory approach, especially when you're preparing late. If you're preparing early, you should follow theory to question approach. Now, all of these things we will help you with in the course. All the subject mentors will be there. Number 5, lot of students are just PCB and PCM. So a lot of bio students tell me how to prepare for maths, because in IIT there is maths also, right? And if you want to get IISER Pune, that means out of 180 you need to get 110, 120 marks. But if you just attempt 3 sections, that means it will be 135 marks in total. And getting 120 or 110 out of 135 marks is extremely hard. Therefore, I recommend all the students, whether you are PCM or PCB or PCMB, you should attempt all 4 sections: physics, chemistry, maths and bio. If you are a bio students, there are some easy chapters in 12th which we guide, especially we guide for non-math students, how you should approach the questions, what are the chapters you should focus on, and you can easily increase your marks and rank. Similarly, for math students, we know what are the chapters which are going to be guaranteed. The guaranteed questions are going to come from those chapters and topics. So we tell you all of those. Special guidance for non-bio students as well. So we have special guidance for non-maths and non-bio students. Therefore, I would recommend you all, if possible, if you are thinking of joining, you can join even now. It's not late at all. So I hope this video cleared all your confusions. If you have anything else you want to ask me, you can message me personally on the app Sciastra. We even have master class. We have motivational classes, because during this journey, tough journey of preparation, a lot of students feel depressed or feel sad. They don't feel motivated. So every weekend we have the interaction with the students where we can discuss professional as well as personal problems. If anyone faces any kind of problem, I just give them my contact and we talk on the call. So all of these things we are doing, we are trying our best to give you all the best course you can get for IISER, NISER, ISI and CMI is here. Don't miss, link is in the description. With that, all the best. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.